Hey everyone, welcome back. I have a special video for you today. I'm a woman of my word, so as promised, today I'll be making a video about how to make a pattern for the satin slip dress that I made in one of my previous videos. If you haven't seen it yet, check it out and let me know what you think. So for the project today, you'll be needing a roll of pattern paper, a pair of scissors, a pencil, and some weights. Not gym weights, I mean weights that you use to hold down the pattern paper. Yeah, you know what I mean. But personally, I use marble coasters that are from my kitchen. They're small and they're heavy, so they work perfectly. If you have any object like that in your home, then you can just substitute that for the weights. Also, I'll leave a link to where I got my pattern paper. Once you have all of your supplies, you will want to grab any dress in your closet that's form-fitting and really simple, and we can use that as our foundation for our pattern. So what you're gonna do is just lay it across your pattern paper, and then we're gonna take our pencil and trace about a ½ inch away from the dress, following its shape. Once I trace it lightly, then I like to go over it one more time to just make the line more solid and bold. And then I take another piece of pattern paper and place it on top of the front part of my pattern, and then I can create my back piece. So the entire bottom of the dress is going to be the exact same, but I'm going to make my back a little bit lower than the front. So basically what I did was measure 7.5 inches from my neck, from the center of my neckline in the front, down to the back, and then 5 inches from the edge of the armpit. Once I have the front and back of my pattern traced, then I can go ahead and cut them both out. Label them if you'd like.
These are like pieces of clothing for me. So I store it in my closet, well, in one of the closets, and on a hanger. So if you're looking for a way to store your patterns, then I think this way works for me. You could give it a try.
Alright guys, so there you have it. That's the pattern that I used for the satin slip dress. Please let me know if you have any questions. I hope this is helpful. See you soon.